Welcome to the videos being made by Cliff for KU Padashala, a novel initiative taken up by the University of Kerala. So these 20 videos being made for the KU Padashala for the reach of many people across the country as well as abroad, because once it goes open and come to the virtual mode in the public domain, anybody can access it. So we will have 20 valuable videos, though it is short videos of 30 to 40 minutes, but then everything that is needed to be known about an instrument will be depicted and explained to you. So welcome to this video and videos, and I'm sure that you will have a real feel of what the Central Laboratory for Instrumentation and Facilitation is. Thank you very much.
CLIF, Central Laboratory for Instrumentation and Facilitation, the flagship establishment of the University of Kerala, is located in the serene environs of the Karivattam campus. With its aesthetically designed building complexes, it houses 22 high-end functioning equipments. A dynamic scientific establishment, it is extensively used by researchers, faculties and scientists in the state of Kerala. The laboratories housing the equipments are climate controlled, and every instrument is managed by a dedicated and experienced group of technical persons. Such a facility is unique in the state of Kerala, and over the years after its inception, it has helped the research community in executing their scientific programs. Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is sought after by the researchers for analyzing and characterizing the materials of all scientific disciplines across the state. Mr. Jibin Raj looks after the instrument and is qualified for interpretation and validation of the results. The laboratory that houses X-ray photoelectron spectrometer and sophisticated fluorescent spectrometer, together with the X-ray diffractometer housed in the physics department, cater to the needs of all material science as well as biological science researchers. These instruments are handled by qualified technical persons, Nisha G. Unni, Avashvi and Vishnu P. The Bruker Atomic Force Microscope dissects the samples at atomic level and facilitates 2D and 3D imaging of the samples. Soumya Valsalam looks after this unique equipment. We have another facility which houses two major equipments, the X-ray fluorescent spectrometer and the scanning electron microscope. The former instrument is maintained by Adarshri. The scanning electron microscope scans not only the surface counters and architecture of the sample, but also gives a 3D image of the surface, which also has the EDX facility. The energy dispersive analyzer of X-rays can detect the presence of elements when hit by the electron from the electron source. It is managed by Soumya Valsalam. We also have liquid nitrogen facility for generating liquid nitrogen around 10 liters per hour with a 500 liter storage tank. The instrument works on the principle of filtering nitrogen from the air and condensing it to liquid form. This facility caters to the needs of most of the academic and research institutions in Trivandrum. We have a high-end equipment, the inductively coupled plasma mass spectroscopy, along with HPLC and laser ablation system. The Fourier transform infrared spectrometer is mainly used for the functional group identification and determination of wide variety of sample matrix, whereas the UV-VIS NIR spectrophotometer is used for finding materials reflection or transmission by measuring light intensity at specific wavelength. This laboratory is managed by Arisenan MC and Vishnu P. The spectral confocal microscope is used for the live cell imaging on a real-time basis using appropriate fluorescence dyes. Alongside SCM, BET analyzer, which is extensively used for surface area analysis and void volume measurements of mesoporous samples, is also present. These instruments are maintained by Soumya Valsalam and Vishnu P. We have a laboratory with CHNS analyzer and STA analyzer. The former one is an essential equipment for the determination of percentage composition of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur contents in solid and liquid samples. The latter one, that is the STA analyzer, is used for the simultaneous determination of TG and DSE analysis with respect to thermal changes in the samples. These instruments are handled by IDESEN and MC. The biggest laboratory in Cliff houses the major instruments high performance thin layer chromatography and LC-MS, MS followed by a wet lab for preparation of samples for analysis. Managed by Shamna SK. In the case of HPTLC, it's an advanced form of thin layer chromatography used for analyzing the chemical constituents, pesticides, and other low volume compounds in liquid biological samples, as well as water quality analysis. LC-MS is high-end equipment used extensively in analytical chemistry that combines the physical separation capabilities of liquid chromatography with the mass analysis capabilities of mass spectroscopy. The laboratory also houses for the time being the DNA analysis facility inclusive of the real-time PCR, ion torrent next generation DNA sequencer, as well as a versatile Sanger sequencing machine. We welcome you all to visit Cliff for the real feel of the dynamic instrumentation facility, which brings contemporary science to you.